said there was a girl who came to the house, a friend of hers, right? Do you know her? Do you remember her?
Ay, yung kwadrado nasa kanya, no, gitna. Dapat pala mayroong ganun.
Was good? Let's talk for a
Yung kwadrado yung ganun doon na, no?
Kung nasa nakatapat yung kwadrado, doon nakafocus.
Ah,
Yan.
Why did you do it? I heard that Necklace was your best friend.
Do you know the sacrifices I had to make to get into the school? And all the money my parents spent over the years? Singing lessons, piano lessons, solfege too. My dad worked hard for this. All of his hopes are on me.
gusto po umorder. Ayan po yung gumagawa. Ayan po siya.
Lucky ones.
Pag ano po, okasyon nyo, kahit ano po, okasyon, birthday, party.
Necklace
Yeah.
fought the battle entirely by herself.
Kung
She
gusto
had
nyo mo
no
pa, kung ano yung mga ano yun, baby shower.
I'm sure you were aware.
Ayan, siya po gumagawa lahat yan.
Such wonderful natural purity. She had
Dito
no
lang po yan sa Maywood.
It wasn't long before she was discovered by our teacher,
Yung
Emma.
location namin.
Who on bar stages, lined up producers
Ayan
to
po,
record
siya po
her.
ang gumagawa ng lahat.
Helped her put together an album deal before graduating.
So out of jealousy,
Ayan po. Napakaganda po. Talaga masisya kayo sa...
So what exactly do you
Ayan,
mean by that
ganda.
comment?
Ayan po lahat ng itsura niya.
the family didn't do anything. You decided to handle the matter?